Hi guys, my name is Joseph and I'm the founder of Coins to Dollars. So today I'll show you a trade that I've took this week. This is a very small trade and I'll just explain you my entry, my targets and my exit and also the reasons why I took this trade. So let's start. तो पहले हम इसके एक वीक टाइम फ्रेम को दैट मीन्स लार्जर टाइम फ्रेम को एनालाइज करेंगे जिसमें कि हमें ये एक सपोर्ट दिस इज अ रेजिस्टेंस यू सी हमें ये दोनों सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस मिल गई सो चेक इट आउट हियर सो सी दिस इसने 1 2 3 एंड 4 टाइम्स ऊपर जाने की कोशिश की है एंड 1 2 3 4 एंड 5 टाइम्स इसने नीचे आने की कोशिश की है स्टॉक ने but it took a beautiful support from this line, from this trend line, and a resistance from this trend line. See, so you can clearly see that this is bouncing back from here, and this is a zone where this is range bound. So that means after this zone breaks, it is obviously either going to go up or it will go down. So I was waiting for the breakout at this point. अगर आप इसको वो 1 डे टाइम फ्रेम पे चेक करते हो you will find this beautiful pattern here. I'll show you. See, this is a very beautiful pattern having one resistance and two supports. If you see clearly, yeah. Do you see? Let me just delete this line. Yeah, better now. So see this. At a larger time frame, इसने यहाँ से resistance ली. It fell down from here, started to move in a defined price range. See, in fact, even here we have got a pattern. Fine. So see this. How this is behaving, I'll just show you. Yeah, this is going like this, and then finally a breakout. This might go up, no doubt. This should be my target, and in fact, this was my target. बट मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्यों मैंने स्टॉक से एग्जिट ले लिया है आज तो मैंने जब इस ब्रेकआउट को देखा सो आई वाज जस्ट वाचिंग वेरी क्लोजली स्टॉक ने बहुत अच्छे वॉल्यूम के साथ ब्रेकआउट दिया है सीरीज अगर हम इसे छोटे टाइम फ्रेम पे चेक करते हैं दैट मींस ऑन टाइम फ्रेम पे तो हमें क्या मिलता है दिस इज द ब्रेकआउट सी दिस डू यू सी दिस और इतने अच्छे से ऊपर जाने के बाद स्टॉक ने फिर यहाँ पे एक करेक्शन दिया है दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड रिट्रेसमेंट so this is what I was waiting for and this is the candle where I have entered see this मैं आपको रीजन बताता हूँ क्यों मैंने यहाँ पे एंट्री ली है इस ट्रेड में आप अगर I'll just zoom in yeah see this is called a hammer pattern sorry this is called a hammer candle this candle is called a hammer candle this one रीजन क्या है see this wick this stock was going up then it went down this is retracement and this is what we must enter in अगर आप इतनी healthy retracement देखते हो किसी भी breakout वाले stock में तो you can go in with your eyes closed and what I planned was it will behave like this but nevertheless I'll just explain what happened next मेरी एंट्री लेने के बाद स्टॉक ने वैसे ही बिहेव किया है जैसा मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था इससे दिस वाज माय स्टॉप लॉस एंड माय टारगेट वाज दिस वाज माय टारगेट नॉट दिस सॉरी but somewhat here was my target about 100 points was my target RR ratio was 2.17 which is very normal for a swing trade and I was holding to this I'll just show you what happened next So see, so next morning when I woke up, I saw this. The stock was already here. I was about in a 30 rupees profit per stock. See this. What happened next? I was just waiting. I thought कि might be this stock will go up from here, but it did not happen as per my will. The stock fell down from here, and Nifty was also very red at that time. I'll just show you. So I just held to it. मैं देखता रहा मार्केट को, मैंने वॉच की वेरी क्लोजली, फिर मैंने कंडीशंस भी देखी मार्केट की. कोविड की वजह से आपको भी पता है मार्केट इज नॉट बिहेविंग लाइक इट शुड. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हाट हैपेंड, आई वाज इन अ लॉस देन. थोड़ी देर के बाद आई वेंट टू अ लॉस एंड माय लॉस वाज ऑफ अबाउट 20 रुपीज. नॉट 20 बट अबाउट 15-17 रुपीज. थोड़ी देर के बाद इट अगेन वेंट अप एंड अगेन इट वेंट डाउन. द नेक्स्ट डे, that means today, this is where the market opened. I was in a loss of 22 rupees by then, but by then I saw correction in Nifty, so I just held to the stock and see the move today. See this. Do you see this? So today itself the stock has gone up by 50 rupees, but I'm not got, so I was not able to book it here. I exited my position here. I exited it somewhat here. Not here. Yeah, fine. I exited it at 1801, 145. This is where I exited this stock. Exited this trade. I could have booked it here. I was watching this market, watching the stock, but nevertheless. So I'll tell you why did I book such a small profit in spite of my target being here, somewhat here. The reason was the market conditions today. If we go to Nifty, what do we see? Just switch to 1-day time frame. Let me just delete this. See, what do we see? I see this. I see this pattern in Nifty. The Nifty has been moving in this price range, but here on 28th it gave a breakout, and the volume is also very good. Very small wick at the top. एंड द सेम डे हमारे स्टॉक ने भी इस दिन ही ब्रेकआउट दिया था, तो मैंने इसके अकॉर्डिंगली इसमें ट्रेड ली थी. एंड सी दिस व्हाट हैपेंड, इट वेंट अप, बट निफ्टी वाज ग्रीन एंड माय स्टॉक वाज रेड, इफ यू रिमेंबर. बट नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. सी व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट इज द प्रॉब्लम. सी दिस कैंडल, this is a reversed hammer kind of candle. See the wick. The Nifty has tried to go up, but why the selling pressure is so high that it is again going to fall probably. I'm not sure, but it has broken this. It has broken this support. So इसको देखते हुए ही मैंने ट्रेड से आज एग्जिट ले ली. एक और रीजन is as today is Friday. I was much worried about the news coming on Saturday and Sunday. So this is what I took, and I have booked around 40-41 rupees, and I'm quite happy with this. And so stay tuned for more videos. Like, subscribe, and please share the video. Thank you so much.